Okay. Next, we are going to another model. This is trigonometric ratios table. We are doing these sums. This model is by using trigonometric ratios table. These sums are by using trigonometric ratios tables. So this is one model. This is a question like this: sin 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosecant 60 degrees by cot 45 plus cos 60 minus secant 30. So we have to find this value. Before doing this sum, we have to write individual values from trigonometric ratios table. So after writing those values, then we will do this sum. So here from trigonometric ratios table, what is first value? Sin. Sin 30 degrees is equal to half. Tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. Cosecant 60 degrees is equal to, cosecant 60 means sin 60. So what is the value of sin 60? 2 by root 3. Root 3 by 2. So reciprocal of root 3 by 2. 2 by root 3. Next, cot 45. Cot 45 degrees is equal to 1. Cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Next, secant 30. Secant 30, we don't know secant 30. We know cos 30. Cos 30 means root 3 by 2. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2. So that is 2 by root 3. So these are the values from trigonometric ratios table. Remember this is another model. We are doing this sum by using the values of trigonometric ratios table. You remember that point. So all values I wrote here. So I am writing that question. Sin 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosecant 60 degrees divided by cot 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees minus secant 30 degrees. So this is the question. What is sin 30? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. I am writing 1 by 2 plus tan 45 1 minus cosecant 60. Cosecant 60 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 divided by cot 45 1 plus cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 minus secant 30. Secant 30 2 by root 3. Here see, this is entire is numerator, this is denominator. In numerator another fraction also there. So here 2, here root 3. For 1 there is no number, so simply I am writing 1. So here the denominator LCM is 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 is LCM. 2 root 3. 2 root 3 are different number. This is different, this is different. No common factor for these two. So in that case I am multiplying these two. That is LCM. So I am writing this one there. So 1 by 2. You have writing. So before writing 1 by 2, these two will cancel. This is LCM. 2 root 3. I am writing this number to there. Here denominator 2 is there. So divide LCM with this denominator. 2. 2 will get cancelled. So answer is 3. What I am saying? First you have to find the LCM for denominator 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 is LCM. I am writing the LCM here. I am to write this number to there. To write this number to there, here denominator 2 is there. So divide that LCM by this denominator. So 2 root 3 by 2, 2 will get cancelled, root 3 will be there. Root 3 into above number. Above number is 1. So 1 into root 3. This is the procedure by adding or subtraction of fractions. So here plus 1 symbol is there. Put that symbol. Here 1 in denominator. What is LCM? 2 root 3. So divide 2 root 3 by 1. So 1 means no value. So 2 root 3. 2 root 3 into above number. 1 into 2 root 3. Minus. Put the minus symbol. Next, what is the LCM? 2 root 3. Here denominator root 3 is there. Divide with that denominator. Root 3 will get cancelled. 2 is answer. 2 into above number. Above number is 2. 2 into 2. So this is numerator portion. This is numerator portion. I am writing the denominator. In denominator C. Same. Here for 1 there is no denominator, so write 1. 1 to root 3. 2 root 3 are different numbers. So this is the LCM. 2 root 3 is LCM. Same procedure. In numerator what we did, here also we did the same way. So LCM is 2 root 3. So first number, here denominator is 1 by 1, known value for 1, so 2 root 3. 2 root 3 into above number. So 1 into 2 root 3 plus symbol. Put plus. So division. Plus symbol. So LCM is 2 root 3. By here 2 is there. Right, 2 will get cancelled. So answer is root 3. Root 3 into above number 1. 1 into root 3. 1 into root 3. So here minus is there. Put minus. So LCM is 2 root 3 divided by here root 3. Root 3 will get cancelled. 2 is answer. This 2 into above 2. 2 into 2. See here. This is middle line. I am writing the above number. Denominator LCM is 2 root 3. Here 1 into root 3 means root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 2s are 4 in denominator. LCM is 2 root 3. 1 into 2 root 3 means 2 root 3 plus 1 into root 3 means root 3 minus 4. So 2 root 3 get cancelled. Root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3 plus root 3 minus 4. See here 2 root 3 plus symbol, 2 root 3 plus symbol, root 3 plus symbol, root 3 plus symbol, minus 4, and everything is same. So this way will cancel. Answer is 1. So therefore sine 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosecant 60 degrees by cot 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees minus secant 30 degrees is equal to 1. Another example. These models are by using trigonometric ratios table. This is one type of model. Most probably in 2 marks, maximum 2 marks will come, or 1 mark, maybe 4 marks also chance is there. So here tan 45, cos 30, sin 60. Same sentence. From trigonometric ratios table tan 45 is equal to 1. Cos 30 degrees is equal to, cos 30 means root 3 by 2. Sin 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. So these are the values from trigonometric ratios table. So that question. 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. So 2 in between no symbol means that is into. So I am putting simply bracket, otherwise into symbol. Tan 45 means 1. Square is there, 1 square. Plus cos 30. What is the value of cos 30? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin 60. This is also root 3 by 2 whole square. So 2 into 1 square means 1 into 1 1 plus root 3 square by 2 square minus root 3 square by 2 square. 2 ones are 2 plus this square root will cancel, 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. These two will get cancelled, 2. Therefore 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees is equal to 2. Another example. This is third one. Is it right to say that cos 60 plus 30 degrees is equal to cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30? So what is asking, is it right to say? Means this left side value is equal to right side value. So both are same or not, he is asking. So we will check. LHS. Before writing LHS, from trigonometric ratios table, cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. Cos 60 degrees is equal to, cos 60 means 1 by 2. Cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2 Sine 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. These are the values from trigonometric ratios table. So I am writing LHS. What is LHS? This one. Cos 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. Cos 90 degrees. Cos 90 degrees is equal to 1. This is 1. RHS. What is RHS? Cos 60 degrees, cos 30 degrees minus sin 60 degrees, sin 30 degrees. What is the value of cos 60? 1 by 2 into cos 30 root 3 by 2 minus sin 60 root 3 by 2 into sin 30 1 by 2. So in numerator 1 into root 3. Root 3 by 2 into 2. 2 into 2 means 4. Minus here also 3 root 3 into 1. Root 3 by 2 into 2, 4. Same values, but here plus symbol, here minus symbol. So these two will get cancelled. Answer is 0. Therefore, this is 2. From 1 and 2, what we are observing, sorry, here I am writing wrong value. Cos 90 degrees is equal to 0, not 1. So from 1 and 2, cos 90 is equal to 0. Right side is 0 is there. Here also 0. So right side are equal. So right side are equal. So left side values are also equal. From 1 to cos 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to right side. What is right side? Cos 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees minus sin 60 degrees into sin 30 degrees. So he is asking, is it right to say? Yes, it is right to say. So it is right to say that cos 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to cos 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees minus sin 60 degrees into sin 30 degrees. So this answer is left side value, right side value equal. This is one type of formula, one formula. What is that formula? You think, assume that 60 is A, 30 is degrees B. So cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This is one identity in cos. In the same way, two more identities are there. Cos of A minus B is equal to cos A cos B